Today, we will be unboxing the Counterfeit Money Bill Detector Pens Markers to Detect Fake Currency 5-pack. Yes, that's the Amazon listing title. I realize the box says Counterfeit Detector Marker by GSM Office. Anyway, I purchased this 5-pack off of Amazon for $6, which is actually a really great deal given how many counterfeit pens you get in the package. So I bought these because I frequently buy and sell over online trading platforms such as Craigslist, OfferUp, and Facebook Marketplace. As you might know, the safest way to deal with peer-to-peer transactions is to only accept cash. Because if someone sends you Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle, they can call the bank and force a charge back. If that happens, you lose your item plus the payment. So these counterfeit detecting markers are going to help prevent scams from people using fake dollar bills. Okay, let's open them up. So there's a little sticker here. Okay, it's telling us that there's 5 markers and that the chisel tip is guaranteed for life. It's a little picture of a dollar bill on one side. In the back, some how to use instructions. Swipe bill with marker. So basically just draw on the marker or just draw on your bill with one of these markers. A black mark indicates a fake bill and a gold mark indicates a genuine bill. That's the packaging. Let's open it up now. Get your trusty steak knife. Yeah. Okay. Indeed, there are 5 inside. And this is what they look like. Counterfeit marker. Gold, real, black, fake. Okay. So if you can see that, it even tells you on the marker what color corresponds to real and which one means fake. Okay, let's try this out. So I'm just going to draw on the lid and see what happens. So I drew on the lid of my box and you can see that it didn't turn gold, so I don't think this is real money. Alright, now let's try it on a bill. I have a nice crispy $10 bill. Let's draw on it. I actually really hate doing this because I hate when I receive bills with marks all over them. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to draw on this. Okay. And I guess indeed it's real because it's gold. And you can't really tell that I marked it up either. So that's good. Alright, so that looks like it's gold. And whereas on the mark that I drew on the box, you can clearly tell that one is black.